Hello, my name is Princess. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this YouTube banner design using Canva on your mobile phone. So before opening our Canva app, we're going to head over to our browser first and then search for YouTube banner. Head over to images and you're going to see different dimension designs. You click on the one you like. This is the one I'm going to use. Click on it. Go to visit so that you'll be able to save it. Click on download. When it's done downloading, save it to your phone because we are going to be making use of it. After that, head over to the Canva app and then search for YouTube banner. For the dimension of YouTube banner, you are going to want the sizes 2550 times 1414 pixels. Now we have our templates. We're going to click on camera to import the picture that we got from our browser. After you've imported the picture to your Canva, you have to drag the picture for it to fill in and fit into the template. Now we are done with that. You see the black rectangular box in there. That is where we are going to fill in everything that we need for our banner because that is what people are going to see on their mobile device. Click on elements and then go to shapes. Click on the square shape. When you click on it, drag it and then adjust it to fit into the middle part. And then after you're done with that, go to color and pick the color of your choice, the color that you want your banner to have. When you're done, click on the picture that you saved on your browser to delete it. We are still going to make use of it, but for now we don't need it. It's time for us to start designing our banner. So the first thing you do is to click on elements. When it pops out, go to frames and select the second one because that is what I will be using for this tutorial. Adjust your frame to fit into the banner that we are designing and then click on camera to import the picture that you'll be using for this design. After that, adjust the picture to fit into the frame. When you are done with all that, click on text and click on add a heading for us to start inputting the text that we want. So for our text, the first thing we are going to put is the name of our channel. So for this illustration, I'll be putting Print as the name of my channel. That is the first thing because for your banner, your banner needs to contain your picture, the name of your channel and what your channel is all about. If it's vlog, if it's beauty, if it's sports, you also have to put it there, right? So after you are done inputting the name of your channel, you start editing the text. You can reduce the font size, you can increase the font size depending on what you want. You can change the color to whatever you want, anyhow you want it. It's your choice, right? Click on text again so that we would input more text. Right now we want to input what our channel is going to be about. If your channel is about vlog, is about beauty, anything, you write it. Or if there's any other thing you want to put, it's your choice anyways. It's your banner, so just do you basically. After you're done inputting your text, then you can go over and edit it however you want it and start adjusting it. Drag it. Remember the black rectangle, so make sure that in your head, just try and be adjusting it and fit things into it perfectly, so that we are still going to check if everything fits. Yeah, we're still going to check, but at least so that you don't have a lot of work to do. Now that we are done with our text, it's time to import other things. Any other image of your choice, anything that you want to do with your banner, just do it. But just make sure that everything that you're going to put would fit into the black rectangle that I showed you guys, because that is where you are going to see everything on mobile. So nothing should be at the outskirts, because anything that leaves that black rectangle would not show on the mobile phone. So just make sure of that. Now we have adjusted everything to our satisfaction. You click on camera to import the other picture that we got from our browser, because I told you that we are still going to make use of it. So the purpose of importing it back is for us to, make sure that nothing is outside of the black rectangle. So you reduce the transparency so that you'll be able to still see your image while, trying to adjust the whole thing to fit in. So if anything is out, just, shift, get, and then adjust it into this black rectangle. As you can see, our banner is ready. The only thing remaining for us to do is to save it to our phone. So just go right ahead. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.